Hey, this is John. Today I would like to show you the most interesting and universal tablet mounting system ever created. We call it affectionately the grip and dock. And it's called so because there's a dock and a hand grip, but it's got a lot of versatile features on it. So first off, let me show you the handle. The handle is designed to be comfortable for anyone and attached to a tablet, which I'm going to show you in a moment. But notice it's got a lock slot right there. And it's also got a pinhole, and the lock slot means you can attach a cable lock to it. So if you just want to free float and attach it to your tablet, then you can. Right now we're going to attach it to the tablet. We're going to peel off the VHB cover, and now we're going to attach it, and you just drop it in place and get it centered, and then snug it in so it grabs, and now we've actually got it secure. Now this is using our own enclosure case that you've seen other types of cases, but ours has space in the back so that you can attach the hand grip to it, and so that it's permanently attached. But it's a extremely rugged, thick, heavy silicone case, and we've deployed many thousands of these, even including 8,000 of these in a bank where there have not had any tablets breaking because they'll withstand falls. So what's cool about it is it's got another slot down here, and this is where the pinhole goes, and the pinhole engages in the stand. So let me show you what the stand has. The stand has a lock slot on the side. Notice we had one on the handle, and we've got one on the stand that's right in there. And there's actually one on both sides, so you can be righty or lefty. There's a passageway for the power cable going through and out the back. We've got a lock, a brand, which we could do for yours. And then we've got a rotation plate that's on the bottom. Now the rotation plate is able to be hooked down with screws that come with it, or a VHB base so that you can put it directly on a countertop. Or as I mentioned before, we've actually got a lock slot so you can attach the lock to it so you can free float this. So there's a number of ways to mount this and get your physical security. And remember, this is all about physical security. So the last piece to show you is how this works. Now, all we do is we drop this on, and see the slot right here in the bottom, and the slot goes on the top of the tongue and it drops into place, and then you push the lock slot. Now it's attached and it's not going to go anyplace. So this is a really great stand that's designed to rotate so they can be shared. You can turn it whichever direction you want. You can go mobile. I'm going to unlock this and show you again. And this is designed for taking orders or being able to walk around a bank or whatever it is that you want to do to engage with your customers while holding it, because it rotates to wherever it is that you're comfortable. And then last and probably most important thing to recognize is that this is actually designed to work on a counter, but it's also designed to work on a wall. So this folds all the way up, and you do remove the rotation plate. And now this is flush, and it will mount on a wall. And for what I like to call scoop and go action, you just scoop it up and take it. Now we've got a way to mount it out of the way on the wall when you don't have counter space to be able to do it. So this is the grip and dock system from Maclocks. And remember, if you love it, lock it.